Welcome Year 7 to our first flipped classroom lesson that you will be doing for learning preparation. What we're going to be doing today is thumbnail sketching. And you might ask, what are they? Well, thumbnail sketches are drawing quick, abbreviated drawings. Usually they are done very quickly with no corrections. You can use any medium, so you can either use a pencil, pen, and they're the most common. Thumbnail sketches are usually very small, often only around 2.5 to 5 centimeters square. Now, how to draw a thumbnail sketch. Imagine your subject or picture stripped of all details through squinted eyes or in poor light. So what that's saying is, imagine your car with no color, no light, no nothing, just the basic outline. All you see is some rough shapes and some lines. That's all you need for a thumbnail. First, sketch a rough box, smaller but in the same proportion as the finished picture might be. And sketching the horizontal line, hills, or any other major vertical lines or horizontals. You won't be using that because what we're going to be doing is thinking about sketching our CO2 cars. Here's some examples of a thumbnail layout. So as you can see, all the boxes are of the same size, okay, and they've just got different types of images within each box. Some of them look very similar, but they've got different shadings, different lines, different ideas within each. You can color your thumbnails in. Okay, I would prefer them to have a little bit of color to them so I can see the sort of color scheme you're going for when you actually create your CO2 car. Right, but don't get too bogged down in the details. All I'm looking for is basic colors. You don't have to do amazing designs. You can just give me the basic outline of the colors you want to use. What else goes on a thumbnail sketch? So once you've done your thumbnail sketch, you might want to take some notes alongside it. This will allow you to remember any important information you want to show in your sketches. So within each box, you can either write inside the box about what your design's about, or underneath you can make a little note and tell me what your design is about. I still would like you to write something, but where you write it is up to you as long as it's clear. Now, for your homework activity, what I would like you to do is to draw 7 boxes in your workbooks, okay, and they need to be even, so make them about 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, or alternatively, what you can do is you can divide your page into 7 equal boxes, so they can be as big as you want, as long as you've got all 7 on the same page, okay. Mark them all out. Make sure it's all done in your book, nice and neat. All the boxes are distinct. You can distinguish between all the different boxes. Okay, and then next lesson we're going to start doing some thumbnail sketches. So all I'm asking you to do this time is just to create your 7 thumbnail boxes. Alright. Thanks Year 7, good luck, and I'll see you next lesson.